The 3-day event is intended to increase cycling culture. It includes cycling and road races.
Welcome to the Goan Classic. This is a race organized by Equipe Goa. Equipe Goa is Goa's premier cycle racing team. We are a foundation which promotes local Goan cyclists to compete in the national events, and we have been doing it for last 5 years. And there has been a tremendous improvement with the effort which we have put in to improve Goan cycling, road cycling and racing. Earlier in Goa, we would never come in the top 30 also in the country. But now for the last 2 years, we are getting cyclists who are coming in the top 10, top 15 of the country, which is quite good in the national events. So as part of building the racing culture in Goa, we have organized this Goan Classic. This is a 3-day event where we have invited a lot of cyclists from outside Goa to come over here, and we have one of the best cyclists in India, Naveen John, also over here, along with a lot of other very good cyclists here to showcase racing in Goa, so that we encourage more cyclists from Goa to come forward and participate in the sport. This Goan Classic consists of 3 days of events. Because the first day was yesterday, where we did an individual time trial at the university. Today we are doing a road race from here to Mollem checkpost and back. It will be total 5 loops, about 90 kilometers. And we have more than 75 participants. And tomorrow it will be again a 100-kilometer race, where first 4 loops will be from here to Mollem checkpost and back, and the last loop will go all the way climbing up to Anmol. So there is going to be a 3-day event, and we have broken the categories into 3 categories to promote more participation. The first category is the men's elite, which is the toughest. Then we have for our older cyclists, we have a masters category, which is for people who are above 45 years. So they can also compete, because cycling is a sport which can be done by everybody. And then we also have a women's category, because having equal participation from women is very, very important, and it's part of our aim to get more women cyclists. So we are doing this event, and it's a event which has been sponsored by a lot of like-minded people, along with our team Equipe Goa.